mga sis Mars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another camera review na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So medyo matagal-tagal na nung huling nag-camera review tayo na isang kakaloka. So medyo matagal-tagal na nung huling nag-video tayo ng camera feedback and review sa isang Android phone. And yes, babawi tayo ngayon. Medyo okay na yung schedule natin at nabawasan na yung mga tambak nating trabaho. So we have here the Itel A90. Again mga sis Mars, nabili namin to sa online worth 4,000 plus. But right now, good news. If you're going to click the basket down below sa left side corner ng ating video, mabibili nyo na lang siya ng nasa 3,000 plus mga sis Mars. Sobrang laki ng discount na makukuha nyo using this product down below. Original price of this Android phone, if I'm not mistaken, this is around 5,000 plus. I'm not sure about the original price nito kasi sinale nila to eh. Then binili namin siya ng sale and mas bumaba pa siya nung ginamitan namin siya ng vouchers. Okay? So let's proceed na sharing you guys my feedback, my thoughts, and also our camera samples using this Itel A90. So video sample of Itel A90 currently using the front-facing camera, as you can see. Ayan, ito yung ating indoor quality. Pero pag tumutok kayo here, maganda naman yung quality ng kanyang video. Though hindi siya ganon ka-stabilize. Ayan, if i-shake natin siya. Okay. So, next thing is, let's try the main camera. So, video sample of Itel A90 currently using the main camera. So, that is my setup right there. Let me just go ahead and lower the brightness. Oh, okay. Wait lang. Ayan. So, yan siya. And then, you can zoom in up until 2. But you can zoom in the video up until 4. Wait lang. Ayan. So, 4 times zoom in. Medyo hindi na siya ganun ka-stabilize. Ayan. Okay. Okay. So far, yan ang ating video recording. So, you need to touch the screen para mag-focus siya sa, sa subject. Okay. So, next is pictures naman. Let's try to capture some pictures using this my cute little lamp in here. Wala na siyang battery. So I'm just going to capture. Oh no, masyadong mataas ang kanyang yun, okay. 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 Sabi in fairness, maganda yung quality ng camera niya. Ayun yung quality ng ating camera. Hindi siya ganun kabilis mag-focus Pero, okay. Medyo nahihirapan ako i-focus siya. Yan. So, ito yung 2 times zoom in and then ito yung 1 time zoom in. Try natin i-zoom in yung photo. Ayan blurry na siya. Ay, may mga noise na siya. Wait lang. Try natin ulit. Medyo nanginginig kasi yung kamay ko. So, sa camera, we have photo. You can zoom in the photo up until, there you go. You don't have a 4 times zoom in, okay? So, sa video recording, 1080p with 30 FPS. We have beauty in here, okay? You can zoom in beauty of until 4 also. We have portrait more, okay? Time lapse sa front facing, ayan, you just have video, photo. Of course, ganyan lang yung option mo for you to be able, parang meron lang siya wide selfie. We have beautification in here. You can maximize up until 6, ayan. Portrait, and also wide selfie, ayan. So, may wide selfie din sila. Of ITEL A90 currently using the front-facing camera, as you can see. Ayan, ito yung ating indoor quality. Pero pag tumuto kayo here, maganda naman yung quality ng kanyang video. So, hindi siya ganun ka-stabilize. Ayan, if i-shake natin. Video sample of ITEL A90 currently using the main camera. So that is my setup right there. Let me just go ahead and lower the brightness. Oh, okay. Wait lang. Ayan. So yan siya. And then you can zoom in up until 2. But you can zoom in the video up until 4. Wait lang. Ayan. So 4 times zoom in. Medyo hindi na siya ganun ka-stabilize. Ayan. Okay. Okay. So far, yan ang ating video recording. So, you need to touch the screen para mag-focus siya sa, sa subject. So, yun lang mga sis-Mars yung ating camera samples and some pictures using this ITEL A90. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, Maring Ana, ano ba ang experience mo with this Android phone? Okay ba siya for vlogging? Okay ba siya for daily use? Okay ba siya for as a main phone, or okay ba siya for gaming? Sa gaming experience mga sis-Mars, that is another video kasi hindi ko pa siya ganun hindi ko pa siya talaga sinubukan ng matagal kasi tinry ko lang maglaro ng isang game and I didn't experience anything naman. Pero I'll try to set the settings into highest resolution. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ba ng something lag or anything, pero share ko yun sa inyo sa separate video. Anyways, going back to the topic that we have, which is the camera review. Para sa akin mga sis-Mars, using this Android phone for 3,000 or 4,000 plus, is actually worth it naman pagdating sa kanyang camera. The camera is okay if by any chance na hindi naman kayo sobrang picky and hindi naman kayo sobrang, alam niyo na, yung mataas ang standard sa mga Android phone, since we're talking about a budget-friendly phone din here. Pasok na pasok sa banga itong ating ITEL A90. Okay na okay siya for me sa kanyang video and also sa kanyang pictures na mga nakuha ko. And tingnan nyo na lang yung mga video sample ko dyan. Though meron mga noises and also hindi siya ganun ka-clear if you're going to zoom in the video. Pero though this is worth 4,000 or 3,000 plus, and you have 13 megapixel main camera na napakaganda pa ng kanyang, alam mo, design. Very classy and very iPhone talaga yung datingan nito. If you're going to purchase a case na alam nyo na, tas pag malayuan, pag tinignan mo talaga siya, para talaga siyang Pro Max mga sis Mars. So, for me, mga sis Mars, okay na okay itong ITEL A90 pagdating sa kanyang camera. Wag lang ganun kataas ang expectation nyo. Okay na okay to mga sis Mars. And yes, you can also use this one for reels. Ayan, lalo na if gusto nyong magsimulang mag-vlog. Ayan, uso na kasi nagba-vlog right now, di ba? Reels, mga cooking vlog, mga kung ano-ano pang vlogs, lifestyle, ayan. So, pwede sa inyo to mga sis Mars na pang simula. So, yun lang mga sis Mars. You can also use this as a secondary phone if may mga matataas kayong mga phone. And also, pwede nyo din siyang gamitin as your main phone. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo na very light when it comes to sharing my thoughts, my feedback, and also some samples na din using this ITEL A90. Worth it naman bumili ng ITEL A90 kasi maganda naman talaga yung quality ng camera niya, lalong-lalo na pag nasa outdoor kayo. Pero pag sa indoor, expect nyo na medyo may noise, ayan, expect nyo na medyo madilim. Pero pwede na siya with that worth of price. So, yun lang, and I hope you guys, and yun lang, so stay tuned naman sa ating camera review and also test with this Android phone. So, once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, A.Story. See you let's sa ating next na camera review. Buyers.